We're gonna find out because I'm just making it up as I go along because this is just fun outdoor art. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something inspired by a visit that Miss Hazel and I made to a camp last year. We went for a weekend and we did some art projects with the adults and the kids. And all over their camp they had these stick mobile things that were around. So I thought we should make one. We have some sticks from Miss Hazel's favorite tree that I'm going to use, plus 2 from just outside here that I've painted already.
Oh, those are pretty.
And then we're going to put it together. So I'm imagining that it would be sort of in this. That was sort of my design there. This sort of the design idea. I have some string that can live outside and a lot of pony beads in this bin of pony beads that we have. And they fit through the string. So you can arrange it however you want. You could paint the sticks. I was just thinking, let's make it as simple as possible.
This is your starting point, right?
Yeah, you could just go to town on this. So I made a slip knot. If you've never made a slip knot, this is what I did. I made a little loop like this, and the one that's underneath, I push through. I sort of push through. I push through, and then I pull it.
Oh, that's fancy.
So you can make it as big or as small as you want by pulling it, but it'll stay on there. So this is going to be the top for the loop that will hold it all together. So I'm going to make the slip knot a little bit bigger and then slip it to where I want it to be. I think probably like right just by this little knot there. And then I can pull this tight and it'll stay on. And then I'll do the same on the other side, so then we have a way to hang it up.
That's important.
Yes, otherwise, you know, I don't think it's a mobile if it can't hang up, right?
That's true.
Okay, so another slip knot. I'll slip that over.
You're very fast with your slip knots.
Well, I've had many years of slip knots. Yes. If you haven't made a slip knot before, practice, because it's a really good knot to know. Okay, so now we've got this. This is going to be the top. Next, I'm going to measure 2 pieces the same length to hold the next piece down. And I'm just sort of guesstimating on what I think it should look like. So again, this time I'm not going to tie a slip knot. I'm going to just tie a regular old knot. But I want it to be a little bit shorter. So go around once and then do it again, and then the knot should stay tight.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we've got this, so now this is attached, but I need to attach the other side. Oh, here's my other string. And I'll do the same. So hopefully they'll hang well together.
Yeah.
We're going to find out because I'm just making it up as I go along because this is just fun outdoor art that you can hang up. You can hang it up in your bedroom if you wanted to, or you could hang it up in your yard. We like to have a lot of yard art at my house.
Miss Kate is always looking around her to see inspiration. She's always coming back to share with us these cool things that she's found. So that's a good lesson for all of us. There's inspiration everywhere for art.
Everywhere. Okay, so this is how it's starting. This is going to be kind of cool, I think.
That's very cool.
Okay, next we have another stick here, but this time I'm going to add some beads.
Ooh, that's
to this
fancy,
one.
Miss Kate.
I think that should work. So I'm going to add this time. I'm going to give myself some extra space because that tying the knot last time was a little bit tricky. So now there are 2 lengths that are the same. I'll start by tying it onto the second stick. Again, I'm going to go around twice with this to make sure it stays in place. And the great thing is that if it fell apart, it's okay. I could just remake it.
It could go back to nature, except for beads.
The beads. You have to pick up the beads because these beads are made with plastic.
But if you used all nature stuff, then it wouldn't matter if it fell apart.
That is true.
Yeah.
And maybe it'll just, I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I think I could just live in a tree. Okay, so far, let's see. It's looking like this.
Oh, that's very fun.
It's fun. Yeah, we could hang heathers down on the side if we wanted to. And put the last piece of wood down there. And then I think I'll stop and I'll go hang it up. And if I find more things I want to add on, I could just grab some string and do it again. And that would be fun. What else could go in here, do you think, Miss Hazel?
Well, I just had another thought. It could be a very fun family project or group project. You could have some sort of project like this going where everybody contributes to it as the week. You know, as you're there for the weekend and you go for a walk, you find treasures, and then whoever the guest of honor is could take it home as a momentum of their weekend.
Oh, what a good idea.
This feels like this could be a really powerful symbol of your time. That's
good idea.
Idea gal, right here.
That's right. Okay, this is really good. Okay. Oh, I think this is going to look so nice.
You could probably carefully tie a little rock on it. If you had a special
If I had a little rock, but yeah. Shells, rocks, we're gonna, oops, this one's a little bit wonky there. Do you like this wonky right there? Okay, we're gonna add more things as we go. I think I'll hang it up, and then as we find things, we'll just keep adding more. What do you think? It's a fun thing to do in an afternoon if you're looking for something interesting to do.
Yeah.
Go out and collect some sticks. We have so many sticks around here, so this is good. All right, thanks everyone for coming to visit us. We'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.